Hi guys, welcome back. If you want to see how I made this lovely, delicious, tasty vegetable yam, please stay tuned. For this recipe, I'm using mixed seasoning, frozen ukpaka, habanero pepper and ogili, frozen spinach, white onions, crayfish, red oil, yam, maggi, dry chili and salt. So I am also going to be using Ukpaka cow skin, okay, to make this recipe. I have cut it small because I want it on a very small bite. So we're going to add ingredients in this meat. I'm going to add onions, 2 maggi, mixed seasoning, salt. I'm going to put that on the stove and leave it to cook until tender and soft. So guys, I am going to cut and wash the yam. So guys, I am done cutting my yam, but can I just rant a bit? Like the type of yam they sell in African shop these days is not even funny. This is a waste of 7 good euro. Like half of the yam is spoiled and rotten. Look at half of the yam is rotten. Like even more than half of the yam. I did not get too many yam out of this yam. Look, this is the only good yam. Like, would this be one person portion? You know, this is the only good yam I got out of this yam, and it's not even funny. Like that massive big yam and half of them are rotten. Anyway guys, we're gonna continue with our recipe. We're not gonna allow them to rain on our parade today. I'm going to add warm water in this spinach. I'm going to wash and cut it again, and I am going to also add warm water in the ukpaka as well. And I am also going to wash and get it ready. So guys, our meat is done and ready, and I cooked it and I allowed the sauce of it to dry with the meat because I want the meat to be very juicy. It is time to add our red oil in the pan, and I am going to allow it to heat up. Our yam is ready. I am going to take it out of the stove and rinse the water out of it. I'm going to add onions in the pot. I'm going to allow it to heat up for a minute or 2. Okay, now I am going to add our ukpaka. also allow that to fry for a minute. Okay guys, we're going to add seasoning. We're going to add crayfish. We're going to add maggi, mixed seasoning, salt. We're going to add pounded ogili and habanero pepper. I'm going to mix. So now it's time to add our meat in the pot. And also I am going to add our yam. Going to allow that to simmer for like 2 to 3 minutes. So guys, now it is time to add our spinach vegetable. It is so good guys. There is enough maggi and there is enough salt. I don't need to add anything to it. Oh, it's spicy. I'm just gonna allow the veg to simmer for a few seconds. After a few seconds, it is time to take our yam out of the stove. Guys, the aroma in this kitchen, oh my day, it is smelling and tasting so traditionally good. Guys, our vegetable yam is out of the stove, and guys, this yam is absolutely so delish. It smells so good, it tastes so good. It's that kind of yam that you prepare for your father-in-law or your father when they come visit into your house. This is it guys. So guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. This yam is looking so tasty and so divine guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.